Welcome back to part two of how to make passive income through the Binance Cash staking platform. So we're looking at how to swap, and then the BUSD I converted it to the Bcash. I enabled it as you saw in the last video, and now I'm confirming the swap after I've done the slippage. So now a pop-up comes up for me to buy the Bcash. Remember, we use the contract address. So I click on confirm and then I wait for it to get confirmed. As you can see, it has been confirmed. So I'm going to wait for the $11 here to leave this part and then appear the number of Bcash that I bought. So I'm actually waiting for that to happen. As you can see, it just appeared now. We have over 49,000 Bcash waiting to be used, and I have enough gas fee to do what I need to do. So the next thing is let's add the contract in the wallet so that you can actually see your tokens in your wallet, even though you can the app can actually read it because it's connecting your wallet, so it can read everything. So I paste the contract address here. Okay. Oh, sorry about that. Um, Sorry, let me get this. Let me get this quickly. Let me copy this. All I need to do, I've copied it. So I'll come back to my MetaMask. I'm actually using the PC. So I'm going to paste, I'm going to try to add import tokens as you can see here. So I'm going to paste this here and wait for it to load. And then it's going to show me what next to do. So I'm waiting for it to load. All right, you can see it just appeared very beautiful. It's in. So I'm going to import the token so I can actually see my token on my wallet. So it's actually loading right now. As you can see, it has loaded, and I now have my Bcash showing. So the next step for staking is to go on your DR browser, just like you did on your PancakeSwap. You go to your DR browser. You're going to type this Bcash bcashstaking.com. I'm going to put this in the video description below, and you're going to open it bcashstaking.com on your DR, because this is not just a normal website. It may look like a normal website. It's actually a Web3 platform, a decentralized application. So you're going to click on the connect wallets. In this case, I'm using MetaMask here. So if you are using Trust Wallet, it's going to show Trust Wallet that you don't have to connect with it. So I click on MetaMask and it's going to connect with my MetaMask wallet right now. As you can see, I've just connected this at the moment. You can see. So bcashstaking.com has just opened the shows. Join Bcash Staking Farm and earn a guaranteed 720% APY. Just imagine you have over $100,000 here and you're making 720% APY. That's going to be massive. So now, if you were using a referral link, automatically the referral address is going to appear here. But if you want to do it manually, please, you must actually be staking with that wallet for your wallet to actually be used as a referral. Else, it's going to return an error message. So in my case, I'm going to stake all the money, but please always delete the decimal here. Always delete decimals. Take only whole numbers. If I had a referral address, I would have just put it here, you know, and the person is going to get 10%. But obviously, I don't. So I don't want to use that. I just want to use this for a lesson to teach you how it works. So this is it. So all I need to do is to click on approve and stake, as you can see, and it's already loading. So I'm going to be waiting for the pop-up for approvals, because you can't just do things without approving from the wallet. The wallet has to accept to use, to spend. You have to allow the app to spend from your wallet. So this is for your own security, and that's one thing I love about the project as well. It says give permission. I said, okay, confirm. I give permission. And then I wait. So transaction is processing. Very unique, a very beautiful UI, very interactive. The UI UX experience is amazing. It's amazing for this project. So we're waiting for the second step. Don't leave the page. Just hold on. It says transaction is successful. Please hold on. There will be a second command where it's going to you have to approve for your Bcash to be spent. So I'm going to confirm that, which I just did, and it says transaction is processed, and I'm going to wait for a successful note, and it's going to leave my wallet immediately. So that's what I'm waiting for. So we're waiting for it right now. It says transaction is successful. Can you see this beautiful, beautiful? My Bcash just left. My Bcash just left the wallet. It has gone into the staking DR. So this is the total value lock, personal total stake. So this is what I just staked. Wow, it was zero before, now it's showing this. And anytime I earn a referral reward, it's going to show here. So this is amazing. This is amazing. So now, if you want to unstake, you can unstake anytime, but you're going to lose 40% of your money. This is unstake. So if I click on maximum to unstake, I'm going to lose 40% of this because it's supposed to stake for 6 months. After 6 months, you can actually unstake without any fee, freely. But then if you are in a hurry and you need your money for something, then you can stake early. Early staking attracts a charge of 40%. And then harvest, this is where your profit will be. When you want to see your profit, just click on harvest and it will show. So let me refresh and see how much has come into my wallet already. I mean, actually on the app. So it's on the app until you actually harvest it. You won't see it in your wallet. And learn to harvest according to this. So I'm waiting for it to reflect. Okay. Okay, guys, I need to connect my wallet after refreshing. I was wondering why it doesn't reflect. But every second it's paying you. Can you see this? Amazing. Every second, my DApp is increasing. When I refresh, I just would love to be refreshing this all the time. Is I call it a juicy APY. It's something that you salivate about. All right, it's a very good project. So as you can see, we just staked, and it's amazing. It's already growing. So this is Binance Cash staking platform. There are several other staking opportunities, but I think this is very lovely and it's a new project, a growing project. You can actually grow with it and watch it grow to favor you. So this project is also going to be partnering with some other projects I wouldn't want to mention in this video because I'm also marketing other projects. So through my connection, linking it up with other projects where it's gonna buy, the government is gonna buy instead of giving BOs sometimes it's gonna buy those projects and distribute to us, helping those projects grow as well. So this is a very amazing project, and if you're interested in staking to earn 2% daily, to also earn 10% referral bonus from wherever you refer to stake, which everybody wants this in a time like this where the economy is pounding on everybody, where people are hurt, people are losing money. This is a time to increase your earning because um, you need a very high interest at this time. So that's what this is about. So you can get involved with this project. Check the description box. If you have any question, please ask in the comment box below, and I'll be kind enough to respond to you. Once again, thank you for watching this video. Please, if you've not subscribed to this channel, kindly subscribe because I'll be bringing you beautiful opportunities that will help you earn passive income through cryptocurrency. And I'm going to be teaching you about cryptocurrencies, how to research projects, how to find new projects, and how to become how to work for crypto projects and earn more money for yourself and your family. So please subscribe, click on the notification bell so that you can get notified when I do a new video. And so just keep watching out for more videos. Please like, comment, and tell me what you think about this video. Thank you. Do have a great day. Bye bye.